So I was asked, what do I like most about my new listing, 13556 Mettetal? And I would have to say this master bedroom is absolutely so gorgeous. Just check out the amount of storage that's available within every single bedroom here. But in particular, look at the classic built-ins. Not only did the owners of this home decide to keep these classic closets in place, they wanted to make sure that it was highlighted, that these features were not just washed over like classic flippers do. They wanted to maintain the beauty and natural architecture of the home. So as you can see, these built-in closets feature, I mean, this is a really deep closet, but it's also featuring above storage and below storage. So you are not going to have an issue if you're a girly like me or a person like me who has a number of clothing items or shoes. This is definitely the perfect space for you. And if you would like a private tour, just make sure to comment below Mettetal and we can definitely get that set up for you. But come check it out at our open house as well. And if you have any questions, we look forward to helping you. And remember, work with Lee if you want that key.